Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to discuss some basic sketch tools which describe in the direct sketch gallery. First of all, click on the down arrow button and choose the polygon tool to draw the polygon. First of all, you have to specify a point. Click anywhere on the screen. You can see the polygon of 6 sides. It is shown on the screen. You can increase the number of sides by clicking on the up arrow button, and you can decrease the number of sides by clicking on the down arrow button. Here is the three methods to draw the polygon. First method is scribe radius, where the circle is assumed inside the polygon, whose radius you can change in the radius edit box. And you can change the rotation of the polygon in the rotation edit box. Inscribe radius polygon is drawn. Second method is circumscribe radius, where the circle is assumed outside the polygon. You have to specify point. You can see the difference between inscribe radius polygon and the circumscribe radius polygon. And the third method is side length, where you can assign the length of side of polygon. And you can also change the rotation of the polygon in the rotation edit box. And you have to specify point. You can see the polygon is drawn at the 45-degree angle. You can close the polygon tool by clicking on the close button. You can draw the conic curves by choosing the conic tool. Here you have to specify the start point, end point, and the control point. You can change the shape of your conic curve by the control point. When you get your desired shape, then click on the OK button. Thank you for watching, and never forget to like, share or subscribe our video.